Good morning, guys. Rex Dagul again. Yeah, right now we are transiting full speed. We just pick up a 30-inch DogLegSpool weighing 17 tons in air, 15 tons in the water. Bring it on deck. Divers are preparing the airlifting bags. And upon arrival and setting up at the location, we will install and tie in this 30-inch DogLegSpool. So, right now you can see the wake. Full speed white bubbles. My crane is on standby. This is one of the perks. Standing by, reading the notes, doing your greasing, squeezing in, because this is what makes us different from any other guys. Pinoy, we are crane operator and we maintain your crane. So maintenance, we are on top of the crane maintenance. PMs, we do it diligently, not just the ballpen PM guys. Result is a perfect performance of the crane. No squeaks, no noise, smooth and sleek, which is what every operator wants for his crane. Again, this is the documents that I will be compiling as a requirements for the crane inspection and assessor. God bless, safe lifting. Pinoy, bawal ang crab. Okay? Bawal ang crab, bawal ang alimango. Shout out to the very senior crane operator na nakilala ko, isa sa mga hinahangaan ko nung ako'y nangangarap pa lang noon, circa 2009, 2007. Si Brother Perry Malion, sa kanyang kumparing si Brother Barb, kahit hindi ko pa nakikita, ay lagi kong natatanungan noon ng mga desisyon, kung kukuha ba ako, kung hindi ba ako kukuha, ako ba ang magbabayad, may trabaho bang nag-aantay. Meron. Kaya salamat sa inyo mga nauna. Salamat sa walang sawang pagtuturo sa amin online noon. Ngayon, nakilala ko ang isa sa mga senior crop na kasama ko. Privilege na makasama ko. Okay guys, God bless. Thank you.